The airline industry is complex. It's a sophisticated numbers game. To understand profit, look beyond ticket prices. Today, ask RPK, yield, and load factor. Let's break down the data. RASK is your total inventory. It is the vital baseline for measuring fleet productivity, network growth, and your overall unit efficiency. ASK represents your total inventory. Just multiply the number of seats available by the distance flown to find your capacity. To calculate your total capacity, or ASK, just multiply the seats. For example, a 200-seat plane flying 1,000 kilometers gives you 200,000 ASK. RPK is your fundamental measure of demand. It tells you exactly how much capacity was consumed and serves as the vital baseline for calculating your yield and load factor. RPK is your primary measure of demand. Simply multiply the number of revenue-paying passengers by the distance they've flown. Yield is your measure of pricing power. It helps you track the quality of your revenue and ensure your passenger fares are optimized for profitability. Yield is your primary measure of price efficiency. It represents the average revenue you earn for every passenger kilometer flown. Just divide your total passenger revenue by your RPK. Load factor is your ultimate measure of utilization. It helps you optimize your aircraft size, check the health of your pricing, and track your progress toward breaking even on every flight. Load factor tells you how much of your capacity you've actually sold. Divide your revenue passenger kilometers by your ASK to see your occupancy rate. CASK is your ultimate benchmark for efficiency. By comparing it to your unit revenue, you can identify your profit gap and stay competitive in the market. CASK is your primary measure of operational efficiency. Simply divide your total operating expenses by your ASK to find your unit cost. RASK is the ultimate benchmark. It allows us to compare route performance, measure unit profitability against CASK, and optimize our entire network for growth. RASK is the gold standard for measuring airline unit revenue. Simply divide your total revenue by your available seat kilometers. By balancing unit costs against real-time demand, we optimize our yield and maximize total RASK. Success in airline pricing isn't about any single metric and your CASK. You drive the RASK that ensures long-term profitable. Master the math, and you master the skies.